Alrighty, welcome to the third problem video for the QR code review for the trig identities. So we've got ourselves here the cosecant of x minus the sine of x all over the cotangent of x equaling the cosine of x. So we want to, again, manipulate this expression on the left and end up with the expression on the right. So to start off, we've got our cosecant of x minus our sine of x over our cotangent of x. So to start, I am going to manipulate my numerator. And what I'm going to do is get this all to be in a as a single expression, a single fraction expression on top. So we know that cosecant is 1 over sine x minus sine x, and this is all over the cotangent of x. So from here, sine of x, we can think of that as having a denominator of 1. So for our numerator, sine of x is going to be our common denominator. So the 1 over sine x stays, but to get this expression right here as having sine of x for a denominator, I'm going to multiply sine of x to the top and bottom of that little fraction to get sine squared x over sine x. And again, this is all on top of the cotangent of x. So I am going to now combine this fraction expression here since the denominators are the same. So I've got 1 minus sine squared x over sine x, and this is all over cotangent of x. Now from here, there's only one more thing we can really do to our numerator, and that is keeping our denominators the same there. 1 minus sine squared, from our Pythagorean trig identities, we know that is equal to cosine squared x. So once I've gotten that far, I'm going to rewrite this very complicated looking fraction expression on just a single line division. So just as my numerator divided by my denominator. Now, cotangent of x, we can rewrite that. So keeping our first expression the same, we can rewrite the cotangent of x as cosine of x over the sine of x. Now from here, all I do is keep my first expression the same, cosine squared x over sine x, change my operation from division to multiplication, and then flip that second fraction. So I've got sine x over cosine x. Now from here, sine x and sine x are going to cancel, and cosine squared, that's just cosine times cosine. So one of those cosines will cancel out, and that will just leave us with the cosine of x, which is what we wanted.